शख्स तू जान है हमारी.
Huzoor, my question is, do you think that Scotland will become independent as a nation? And I also wanted to ask, where is your favourite place to visit in Scotland?
You see, I'm not a politician. So what I believe is that in this present day world, the safety and security of Scotland or England or Wales and Ireland is in joining together and living together and make a one country under one banner, one flag. That would be better. But if they want independence, okay, we cannot say anything. As far as your question, what is the favorite place in Scotland? There's one place in the highlands of Scotland is Portnellan, where I visited. I stayed there for some time. I like that place. Even there are some places, Pitlochry, where you have the river and the boats which goes up and down, the wheel. I like that one also. And even you go beyond that, even on the highlands and the lake. There are so many things there. Scotland is quite a beautiful place, yes. So the places which I have seen, all of them are very beautiful places. Okay?
Inshallah, when you visit Scotland, we will arrange something.
I should take you along with me?
Yes.
Okay.
Jazakallah.
Okay.
ऐ शख्स तू जान